Yes, now we are discussing about health videos in that chickpea chickpea snacks, how it is healthy, we can discuss now. Are chickpea snacks healthy? The assortment of packaged chickpea snacks on supermarket shelves, often in the health food aisle, appear to tick all the boxes. Chickpeas are legumes that are great source of protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. And as with all vegetables, we can benefit from eating more of them. Chickpeas are good for weight loss. Yes. In addition, the high fiber and protein content in chickpeas promote weight loss. Both the ingredients slow down your digestion and increase satiety levels. A weight loss study shows that people who consumed chickpeas regularly were 53% more likely to fit within a lower body mass index. And the next point is, can you eat raw chickpeas? Chickpeas are legumes. In their raw form, they almost feel like biggy round rocks and are very hard uncooked. You can't eat them raw as they contain toxins removed during the cooking process and are simply too hard to chew or digest properly. This is the information regarding chickpea snacks. So it is very healthiest and it is giving weight loss also, and it is good for health. So wishing you all the best.